we'll solve the problem Pascal's triangle, that is Leetcode 118. Let's first read the description. Description is given an integer num rows. Return the first num rows of Pascal's triangle. In Pascal's triangle, each number is the sum of the two numbers directly above it as shown. So see, this animation is clearly explaining what's the Pascal's triangle is. Means it has one. The next will be that 1 1 because there is no element, so you can consider it as 0. And the third will be 1 1 plus 1 is 2, and next is 1, then 1 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 1 3, then again 1 1 1 plus 3 4, 3 plus 3 6, 3 plus 1 4, and 1. Okay, so this is the Pascal's triangle. So here we will implement this with matrix. Okay, but one thing to notice here, the first element of the row and the last element of the row will be 1. That is one observation, and the last part we need to calculate based on our algorithm. So let's start. How will you do that? First we will check a guard. This num rows should be greater than 0, else we will return a blank matrix. Okay, now num rows is there. So what next? We will define a matrix variable ans is equal to int and this one. Okay, and as we know, the first element or the first row of the matrix will contains only 1, so we will make it ans we append one row ans dot append 1, and then we will compute the rest. So first we will see that if you see this 1 1 2, that first element is 1, second is the sum of the directly above two elements 1 and 1 2, and the last element will be 1. So in the matrix, if we define that, first we create one array of 1 element 1, and then we compute this value, and the last we again append the 1. So how we'll do that? See, we will define a variable I is equal to 0. Okay, and this I we will iterate through I less than num rows. Okay, now this I is already 1, so let I will start from the 1, not from 0, because first element is already appended 1. Okay, now the next is we will create one temporary array. Variable temp is equal to 1, that first element is 1, then variable j also should be start from 1. Why? Because we have taken this value element 1 already from. Okay, and we will take another variable row length. This row length will be updated during the runtime. Row length 1, because this row length is the length of the row, current row. This is 1. Okay, this j will be iterate through row length j less than roe ln. Okay, now what will be the next step? Next step is that from the second element we will try to compute the value from its previous array. So temp dot append, how will you get that answer I minus 1 and j plus answer I minus 1 and j minus 1. Okay, see, if 1 is the matrix, so next temp we will take 1 and j is 1, j, and the row length is also 1, 1 is less than row length, so this while loop will not be executed. Okay, and at the last we will append another one, because as we know the first element of the row is 1 and the last element is also 1. Okay, so now if it is more 3, then 1 1 it is okay. The mid element I minus 1 j plus I minus 1 j minus 1, and j plus equal to 1, and here also you will take a temporary variable len is equal to 1. This is the give the length of this currently computed row, which row we are currently computing. Okay, so as we are increasing the element on this array, we will increase that. Length is also plus equal to 1. Good. Now what will be the next step? Next step will be len plus 1. Okay, so temp we append 1. Okay, and we will update this our row len to len, and yes, len plus 1. Reason is last we append 1. Okay, then we will increase I plus equal to 1. Then we will return ans. Okay, and one more thing, this answer will be updated with that append and tmp. Okay, so this is the solution, that we will create one matrix and then we will compute the value one by one. So it's like, what will be the complexity? That we are going to number of rows, and then maximum we are going to number of rows on the column side. Okay, so this is the complexity here. Means every time we are computing some values, so kind of 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, so it will be n into n plus 1 by 2. Means number of as you see, that first element has 1 element, second is 2, 3, so it is the summation of the n number of rows, natural number, that number of rows means natural number. Like if it is given you that 5, so it will be the sum of the 5 natural number will be n into n plus 1 by 2, so n square, complexity is n square. Okay, so also calculate the answer here. Now run it. Yeah, it's accepted. We will submit this. This is also accepted. Okay, that's it for this problem. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel, and please press the bell icon if you want to see such kind of videos further. Means I will update a new videos for data structure algorithm. You will get the notification that when the video will be uploaded. Thank you. Thanks for watching this.